Good morning, Bobcats, and happy Pi Day. I'm Hank.
And I'm Ryan.
And here's your daily bulletin for Friday, March 14th, 2025. The virtue of the week is loyalty. American actor Taylor Lautner, Hubba Hubba, teaches us honesty and loyalty are key. If two people can be honest with each other about everything, that's probably the biggest key to success.
Seniors, here's another reminder to keep an eye on Miss Johnson's Google Classroom for scholarships. Currently, the Dean M. Coombs Scholarship is offering 2 awards of $1,500 each. The deadline is March 31st. And also, seniors, if you do receive a scholarship, be sure to let Sarah in the main office know so that you can be recognized in the graduation program.
On March 13th, leadership will start selling tickets for the Spring Fling Dance to be held in the Gold Gym on April 5th. The dance will feature live bands such as Tally, a student band, and the infamous Radio Relapse, Mr. Sutter's band. Tickets cost $12.
In just over a week, counselors will be talking to you about scheduling for next year. One interesting elective you can take is wood manufacturing with Mr. Ford. With more on this class, here's Zach.
Have you seen this wood frame behind the wood shop? The wood manufacturing class is making a tiny home which will be donated to a family in Paradise who are still displaced from the fire. Mr. Ford received a grant to pay for the materials, and the students building the tiny home are enrolled in the advanced section of wood manufacturing. Our student carpenters will be framing the first story and hanging the siding, and then the home will be ready to move to the next stage. The tiny home will include a kitchen and bathroom, but that part won't be done here. Here's what our PHS workmen had to say about the project.
I'm here with
Judd Williams,
Laney Griffith,
and we're talking about the wood shop class. Gentlemen, what do you guys like about this class?
I like that we get to learn how to build things and we get to make some cool stuff like desks or this house.
I like that we get to learn about all the cool tools in the wood shop and be able to help people out like this by building a home.
If this kind of project seems interesting to you, enroll in wood manufacturing. You'll start with much smaller projects, but with persistence, you too could be enrolled in advanced wood manufacturing.
And sports. If you're a girl who is interested in playing basketball, here's Mr. Sutter with an important message for you.
What's up, Bobcats? My daughter's AAU basketball team is going to come recruit some players on Monday. It'll be in my classroom at lunchtime, and the coach, Coach Marchand, is bringing pizza for everybody. So if you're a basketball player here, or if you'd like to learn about basketball and maybe join the team next year, and you'd like to check out this AAU program, it's one of the lowest cost programs in the area, and my own daughter is in it, and she loves it, so it's super rad. You should come see us at lunch Monday in my classroom.
And now, here's Gino with an introduction of the varsity softball team.
The varsity softball team is hitting a full stride towards the middle of their season. The current record for the preseason is 1-2 as when we filmed this story. Some key players from last year's team graduated, but the Bobcats still have 3 seniors to lead this year's team. This includes the center field Sequoia, the third baseman Jen Shipman, and the left fielder Grace Buzzard. The lead pitcher is junior Grace Meldrum, who also plays first base. Junior Sam Gross is in the right field, and junior Marissa Galino is the main catcher. Sophomore Maggie May plays shortstop and also pitches. Freshman Danica Clausen made the starting lineup at second base. And here is Coach Summer Baker talking about this team's goal for the year.
Hey, Summer Baker here. I'm the varsity softball coach along with Chris Hansbrough, and I'm just here to talk about how our season's going so far. We've just had 3 games. We've won our first one, and then next Thursday we have our first tournament in Gridley. I think there's a good chance we can win it all. This year's a little interesting. We have a lot of new girls and some new positions, but every day we're practicing and trying to be successful in the field and learn a lot.
And here's Genesee Shipman with more.
This year we have a pretty fun group of girls. Looks like it's going to be a pretty decent season. We have a lot of younger girls coming in and a few returners from last year. So overall I think it's going to be a pretty decent season. It should be pretty fun.
Next week, the Bobcats play in the Gridley tournament. You can see them play at home on Tuesday the 25th against Willows.
Here's your patriotic message. March 14th in 1879 was the birthday of Albert Einstein, the famous physicist and Nobel Prize winner. Einstein, who said, "As long as I have any choice in the matter, I will live only in a country where civil liberty, tolerance, and equality of all citizens before the law are the rule."
Happy birthday today to Simone Biles.
And Steph Curry.
Happy birthday tomorrow to Marco Biggs.
Liam Brooks.
And Gideon Croft. Happy birthday on Monday, St. Patty's Day, to Carly Ingersoll.
And the twins, Troy and Darren Yards.
Here's your joke of the day. Where do leprechauns go to hang out and kick back? On the patio.
Have a great day, Bobcats, and rise up.
Monday in my classroom, right here, where we're filming in this spot. They could stop the